Tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I am show you how to fix GTA 5 Gfx D3D error. Look at this picture. Gfx D3D error. Failed initialization. Please reboot and restart the game. Try reinstalling the game if this persists. How to fix this problem? First, open my computer, go document, open Rockstar Games, open GT5 folder, open this file with notepad. You find DX version value. My DX version value is 2. Actually this value is 0. And your problem is fixed. Save. Cancel everything. And your problem is perfectly fixed. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.